Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Haralson County in northwestern Georgia, Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, southwestern Douglas County in north-central Georgia, Kerr County in west-central Georgia, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Temple to near Napoleon, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carrollton, Buck Canyon, Franklin, Villa Rica, Bremen, Temple, Bowdoin, Mount Zion, Whitesburg, Waco, Ephesus, Centralia, Rouville, Seton Lake, Fairplay, Clem, Abilene, Draketown, John Tanner State Park, and Glen. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The severe